Hello kids, welcome to my class. Today we are going to see about the animals. You would have seen animals in your day-to-day life, isn't it? You would have seen small animals, big animals, very big animals. So you would have seen animals in your day-to-day life. So today we are going to see so many different topics about the domestic animals, wild animals, and where they live and how they live and what are the types of food they eat. And now we are going to see the two different types of animals, that is wild animals and domestic animals. The wild animals are animals that lives in forest, river, mountains, lake, oceans and all. And the special thing about the wild animals is that we cannot train them or tame them, okay? And next is the domestic animals. Over years, people understood that we can actually take care of few animals, that is we can train them. Those are the domestic animals, and actually we keep our domestic animals inside our home. It's because we can actually train them and feed them. The difference between the both two is that the wild animals we can actually not train them, and here in the domestic animals we can actually train them, okay? Okay, just now we saw the different types of animals, and now we are going to see what are the different types of food these animals will eat. For example, I'll show you this. The plants. The animals that eat plants are called herbivorous, and the animals that eat other animals' flesh or meat are called carnivorous, and the animals which eat both the plants and animals are called omnivorous. So these animals that eat herbivorous, that is the animals which are herbivorous animals, that will have flat teeth because they are eating only the plants. And what about the carnivorous? The carnivorous animals will be eating the other animals' fleshes and all. So they will have sharp teeth. Okay, and the animals that eat both the plants and the animals will have sharp teeth as well as the flat teeth. So now we saw the types of animals and what are the types the animals will eat. And now we are going to see how they actually move. Okay, so animals will move in search of food and as well as shelter. You know, the food, shelter, as well as the main thing is they will hide themselves from the enemies. For example, I will tell you few things. Consider us, we humans, how we move from one place to another, we use our legs. Likewise, what about the monkeys? Have you seen a monkey how they will climb from one tree to another tree? They will climb with the help of their legs as well as they will use their tails. And another thing is the fish, how they will move from one place to another place, they will use with the help of their fins and their tails. And what about a tiger, leopard and all? They will use their four legs to run or move from one place to another place. And what about the snakes and all? Have you seen a snake, how it will move? It will use its whole body to move. It will slither from one place to another. And what about kangaroo? The kangaroo will move with the help of its two legs, and how it will move? It will hop and move. Okay, so why actually they move from one place to another place? They move in search of food as well as for the shelter. And the main reason is the animals move from one place to another place to hide themselves from the enemies. So kids, so far we saw in this video how the types of animals and how the animals will eat and how they will move from one place to another place. I hope you understood from this, and as an activity, I want you to write 5 animals' name in all the omnivorous type, herbivorous type and carnivorous type. Thank you.